Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply soft camera shake to your videos in CapCut. So to do that it's quite simple. You just have to open up the CapCut project and then tap on the video where you would like to apply the soft camera movement. Then this long menu is going to appear on the bottom of the screen where you have to tap on camera tracking and select AI movement. And here the fourth option is going to be soft. Then when you tap on it, you have to wait for a few seconds and it is going to apply it to your video, and this is how it is going to look like. Obviously, you can adjust it, you can adjust the scale of the movement, the rotation, the distance, you can make it more intense or less intense. As you can see, I can do it like this, and this way it's a lot more intense. So it's pretty easy to do. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider sending a super thanks donation and see you in the next video.